This is my third video over your exponent rules, and these are division ones. Quotient of powers rule. You subtract exponents. If I've got x to the fifth over x to the third, that's 5 minus 3, that gives me x squared. The power of a quotient. Find the power of the numerator and the power of the denominator and divide. So if I were to have x to the fifth power over x to the third power raised to the second power, that would be x to the 10th, take the powers, over x to the third, and subtract, not third, I'm sorry, x to the 6th, and subtract x to the 4th. Okay, let's do some. This is, so we just want to subtract 6 to the 5 minus 4, 6 to the first. This is 9 to the 6th power, putting these together, over 9 to the 7th power. Now, because my denominator has the higher exponent, that's where, when I subtract, that's where it goes. So I have 7 minus 6, that means I have 1, but I have it in the denominator, so 1 over 9. This is in the numerator, this is in the denominator. That's like seeing this. So it's y to the third over y to the fifth. Subtract again. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 is in the denominator. So the 2 which are left over stay in the denominator. Now, don't put me y here. Don't leave it empty. Don't write y squared because you aren't sure what goes in the numerator. In the numerator, when everything wipes out, you put a 1. Okay. This is 2 to the third over 3 to the third. And if I were to do that math, that would be 8 over 27. If it reduced, you would reduce it. Okay. Now, what I find is easiest when you have them like this, I find it easier to go across, do the numerator, do the denominator, and then start trying to do your subtraction. So this is 18, x to the 4th power, y to the 2nd power, over 3, x, y to the 4th. And now we subtract 18 over 3. If it's simplified, you would simplify 18 over 3. It does not simplify, so leave it alone. 4 minus understood 1 is 3, so x to the third stays in the numerator because 4 is in the numerator. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 is in the denominator here, so you put your leftover y's in the denominator. All right, 2 to the 4th is 16, x to the 4th, over y to the 8th. And you stop. Now, if these were like variables, I would subtract, but because they're not, I don't.